Hey guys, go back to my YouTube channel. It is your girl Ciera here, and I'm back with another video. Alright you guys, now as you can already tell by the title, this is going to be a Margiela first thoughts, box opening, you know, that type of vid. I got these shoes probably like 3 days ago, y'all, but long story short, I was too excited to wait for this unboxing, okay? I've been working, so I ain't had time to do this video, but I got time. But long story short, I wanted to try my shoes on. I was so excited. I have worn a pair of Margiela Tabis like literally since high school. So I'm sorry, but I feel love y'all. But let's get into it. So they came in this beautiful white box. This is like my first pair of Margielas brand new anyway, because I have the Margiela replicas, but I got those from the Real, and then yeah, they didn't come in like the legitimate box. So yeah, it comes in this very clean Margiela box, white, and it has like the numbers on the front of them. Yeah. And initially I wanted to go with black because, you know, black go with everything, but then I'm just like, no, everyone has black, and I have yet to see anybody really with this color on. Like it girl to the peak. Look at it. Ah! Okay, sorry. I'll be so hot. Ah! So here are my Margielas, you guys. Okay, they are absolutely beautiful. Here, let me take both of them out. They are absolutely amazing, you guys. Like, they fit like a glove. I am a 38 in like everything, and I got a 38 in these, and they fit me perfectly. I've only tried them on without socks, but I can tell with the sock it'll also be perfect, so looking forward to that. And as you can see, I got them in this like beautiful like olive green color, I guess you can say. But it's funny because when I put them on my feet, which you guys will see, it kind of looks like it blends in with my skin a little bit. Like, it's kind of weird. So it's like an extension of me. Oh, they are 100% cow leather. I know they come in like the vegan leather, which I just found out a couple days ago, but y'all don't do that vegan shit, period. It's not gonna age well. I'm sorry. If you want to do vegan, just don't do it. Just don't do it at all. Just get the gym shoe, get something else. No. Because this leather is gonna age so well. But if you do vegan, like, girl, no, that's not gonna look good. Like, you're gonna spend $400 on some vegan leather that's not gonna look good in 2 years. No, get something that is gonna age gracefully, like these babies right here. The heel is a 3.5-inch heel. It's not super high. It's very comfortable to walk in too. Like, I haven't worn them outside. I might wear them today because it actually matches my fit. But yeah, so far I found that they're like pretty comfortable to walk in. But what I was really scared about, because I don't have any shoes with like the tappy toe. Honestly, I was like, shit, is this gonna like be uncomfortable because your toes are split? And I'm just like, that's kind of weird to think about. But honestly, when you put your foot inside, like, it feels like second skin. Like, it's normal, it's regular. Oh my gosh, guys, like, literally so obsessed. And I purchased these from Essence, you guys. So I'm gonna put y'all on. Okay, so I was on Essence, right, and they had these marked as $650, y'all. $650. So I'm like, gee, that's almost half the price of what they normally is. So yeah, I seen them online for $650, and then the next day, y'all, they jumped all the way to $980. Girl, I'm like, how they gonna do that? Because I was like dead ass looking forward to like purchasing these like after, you know, stack a little bit first. But I was like, damn, like, these was just $650. Like, how the hell they jump to $980, honey? Got on the phone with Essence, and they were so kind. They were so understanding. They was like, you know what, we understand. You seen this price. We're looking forward to paying this price, honey. We are gonna honor that for you. So, honey, I got these for $650, period. But if y'all go online, they are $980. I would say definitely wait till there's a sale. Because unless you got it like that, then shit, be dropping it, period. But I'm not one to be like, oh yeah, I got it like that, like I've been wearing $1,000. Like, I don't care to like front like that. Like, I got good style, I like clothes. I don't really care about what they're worth necessarily, but y'all already know that. That's why I thrift a lot. Y'all know I like natural fibers, and I don't feel like you always have to pay for quality. So yeah, if you see me a designer, know that she got it on sale. Just be like, Ciera, how much you pay for that, girl? Because you already know it's gonna be half the price, 20% off, 30% off, period. Because I don't pay full price for designer. Like, don't do it. Don't do it. So yeah, $650, $50 for these beauties right here. I am so obsessed with the color, you guys. Honestly, they go with more than I expected. I hope I covered everything for you guys. Yeah, I think I covered everything. If you guys have any other questions about my Margielas, please let me know down in the comments. If you've come this far, make sure you click that subscribe button down below. Do not forget to like this video if you like this video. And I will... Y'all, I'm on my balcony right now. And y'all, I'm on my balcony. And y'all almost fell off the balcony. But yeah, thank y'all so much for watching. Me and my Margielas will see you guys at a later time.